Hi there, this is Susie. Welcome to the last day of 7 days of yoga wheel. Now if you're ready, grab your wheel and let's begin. Let's begin in a comfortable seat. Cross your legs, settle in your wheel, find a comfortable position and lean back. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air and breath out. Feel free to close your eyes. Now place your feet over the mat, keeping your knees bent, and roll back. Interlace your hands at the base of your skull. Elbows are pointing out. Expand your chest and slowly lower down. Inhale, rolling back, and exhale, rolling down. Let's take a few more. Up, keeping your chin tucked and down. Inhale, roll back, and exhale, coming down. Inhale back, and exhale, lower down. Now, as you roll back, see if you feel comfortable extending your legs straight, coming on your heels, and lower the hips down. Inhale up, and exhale, lower down. Inhale, rolling back, keeping the legs extended, and exhale down. Let's take a few more. Now, as you roll back, drop your head all the way down, grabbing onto your opposite elbows. Release your arms and slowly come down into your seat. Now placing your thumbs in the wheel, lift your hips up and roll back, and place your right ankle over your left thigh, right above your knee. And slowly lower the hips all the way down, feeling the stretch in the right hip. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale, lifting up, and exhale, lowering all the way down, up and down, drawing the right knee away from the body. One more, up, and lower your foot down. This time, place your left ankle over your right thigh and lower down. Inhale, rolling back, and exhale, down. Inhale back, exhale down, roll back, and down. One more, up, and lower your foot down, and find a seat. Now, maybe walk slightly forward with your wheel because we need some space to roll back. So come on the edge of the mat and bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly pose, keeping the wheel behind you. And lean back on your wheel, allowing your knees to fall out to the sides. Now bring your feet over the mat and roll back. Drop your head so the crown of your head touches the mat. Bring your feet closer to the wheel. Keeping your thumbs in the wheel and your fingers on the outside of the wheel. Ground down through the elbows and draw your left knee in towards your chest, pressing firmly into your right foot. Hold here. And slowly lower down. Now draw your right knee into your chest. Engage the core to maintain your balance. Lower down. Left knee into your chest. And down. Right knee to chest. And slowly lower down. Now, one more time, draw your left knee into your chest, pressing firmly into your elbows, grounding down through the crown of your head. See if you can lift your right foot up and draw your right knee into your chest as well. Now, you might fall out of balance, that's okay, take your time here. Make sure you have your core engaged. Don't worry about falling out, just keep trying. And let's hold here for a few breaths. Slowly lower the feet down, one foot at a time. And draw your left knee into your chest one more time. And then your right knee. And hold here. Draw the shoulder blades in together. Pressing into the elbows. Keeping the knees tucked in. Slowly lower down and roll forward into your seat. Now place the wheel on the other edge of the mat on the right side and lie on your back, placing your right foot over the wheel and extending your left leg straight. Now as you inhale, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Lift the left leg up, and as you exhale, draw your left knee into your chest, extending your right. Inhale, right knee to chest, and exhale, left knee to chest. Inhale, right, keeping the lower back grounded, and exhale, left. Right, and left. Right knee to chest and left knee to chest. Inhale right and exhale left. Let's take two more. Right and left. Right and left. And rise up. This time placing the wheel on the left side of the mat. And placing your left foot over the wheel, draw your knee into your chest and draw your right knee into your chest. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right. Engage the core, press into the lower back. 5 more here. One more. And slowly lower both of your feet down and come up on your knees. We are about to end this practice. So coming on your knees, keeping the wheel in front of you. Open your knees as wide as the mat. And sitting your hips over your heels, keep your hands over the wheel. And slowly begin to roll it forward, sinking your chest into the mat. And lowering your forehead all the way down. And begin to relax. Breathe in on a count of 5. Hold. And breathe out on a count of 5. One more time. Breathe in on a count of 5. Hold. And breathe out on a count of 5. And rise up whenever you feel ready. Our 7-day journey ends here. I hope you enjoyed it. And give yourself a big thank you for showing up on your mat for 7 days and completing this challenge. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!